Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products for you. Today, we're diving into a delightful treat that's perfect for snacking, salads, and Mediterranean dishes. The best olives you can find on the market, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Pitted Kalamata Olives. These olives are not just any olives, they are organic, fresh, and packed with flavor. Each jar contains 4.6 ounces of these delicious Kalamata olives, renowned for their rich, bold taste. Sourced from organic farms, these olives stand out due to their high-quality ingredients. The packaging features a clear window, showcasing the deep purple hues of the olives, making it easy to see just how fresh they are. Whether you're adding them to a classic Greek salad or simply enjoying them on their own, these olives offer a satisfying burst of flavor. They're pitted, making them incredibly convenient for snacking or cooking. Plus, they're organic and free from artificial preservatives, so you can enjoy them guilt-free. The 365 Kalamata olives are not only delicious but also healthy. They contain no hydrogenated oils or artificial colors, ensuring that you're making a wholesome choice. Each serving about 4 olives contains only 45 calories, making them a low-calorie option for those mindful of their diet. With only 190 milligrams of sodium per serving, these olives can easily fit into a balanced diet. They are certified USDA organic, which means they contain at least 95% organic ingredients. This certification guarantees that you're getting quality olives, free from harmful pesticides and chemicals. Moreover, the 365 by Whole Foods Market brand is committed to sustainability. Their products, including these olives, are part of the Climate Pledge Friendly initiative. By choosing these olives, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're also supporting environmentally responsible farming practices. These Kalamata olives can elevate a variety of dishes. From Mediterranean platters to pizza toppings and pasta salads, their unique flavor profile complements countless recipes. And they make for a quick and healthy snack straight from the jar. In summary, the 365 by Whole Foods Market Organic Pitted Kalamata olives are a must-have for any pantry. They're not only organic and delicious but also versatile and health-conscious. If you're looking for a way to add a burst of flavor to your meals while supporting sustainable practices, these olives are the way to go. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful reviews on your favorite products. Enjoy your olives and happy cooking.